Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix unapplied payments in Quickbooks Online. Now the first thing you need to do is go to reports and search for the unapplied cash payment income report if you're using cash basis accounting, or look for an unapplied payments in your open invoices report. Note the customer name and the amount of the unapplied payment. Then link to an existing invoice by opening the invoice that the payment should be applied to. Click the Receive Payment button at the top of the invoice. In the Receive Payment window, look for an unapplied payment listed under the Credit section. Tick the checkbox next to the unapplied payment to apply it to the invoice. Ensure the total amount due on the invoice is now reduced by the applied payment. Click Save and Close to record the changes. Now, if there's no matching invoice, you have to create an invoice. That is, if the payment was received but no invoice was created, you need to create one by clicking plus New and select Invoice, or Add New and select Invoice. Enter the customer's name, date of service or sale, and the products or services provided, ensuring the invoice total matches the unapplied payment amount. Click Save and Close on the invoice. Now follow the steps we said before on how to link to an existing invoice to apply the unapplied payment to this newly created invoice. It's as simple as that. By following the steps, you can effectively link unapplied payments to their corresponding invoices in Quickbooks Online, ensuring your financial records are accurate for 2025. Hope you found this video helpful.